Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can add page breaks in Google Forms. So if your form is too long, people will give up before they hit submit. So the secret to professional surveys, quizzes, and applications is using section breaks to create a clean multi-page experience. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first, you can just go to the question or to the part where you want to break or move into the next section. Let's say this one. And after that, you can just hit on this button to choose the add section. You can just click on this. And just like that, the question will be divided into the next sections like this. So now you'll have 2 pages of forms. You can do it or you can repeat it if you have more questions. So that's all from me. That's how you can add page breaks in a Google form. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.